One thing we've seen is we created an array and then we console logged the length. And this was a bit weird. A lot of what we deal with in JavaScript, particularly arrays and objects, they're actually these like boxes with all this other stuff in it that you don't need to worry about. Your array, it's not just like all the data you have in it. It's also like probably some metadata, like the length of it and a few other things. In C, if you have something like an int a, it's just 4 bytes. So if we try and expand this concept into JavaScript, nearly everything in JavaScript is an object. The arrays, numbers, strings, in fact, every kind of thing is. It's not just made up of the underlying data, it's often made up of some other properties hidden and some functions as well. And if you're not sure what I'm talking about, this starts to get into the area of object-oriented programming. We don't really do any of that in this course. In JavaScript, everything is an object, and an object basically a struct with functions. If we go and get ourselves, say, a stock standard array, you can actually call some pretty interesting functions on it. Like you can actually say, well, you know, if items.includes a, everything in JavaScript's an object. Object's such a loaded term because like an object is just an object, an array is an object technically, and it gets all a bit confusing. But whether it's an array or an object or an integer or a string, everything in JavaScript is a box, and each box has a bunch of data and a bunch of functions in it.